Jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. This is a short video on how to make kinky hairstyle on a dreadlocks. I already do have a full detailed video on how to make kinky. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below in case if you are interested in watching it. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so by clicking the subscribe button below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like the end result, please go ahead to click the like button and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also share to friends and family, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial proper. This video we're using 4 packs of series expression products because she actually wants it to be very long as possible. But we decided not to cut the length of the extension because, like I said before, she said she wants it to as long as possible. So before attaching the extension, just want to let you guys know that locked hair are usually very difficult to either braid or even twist because of the tips. The tips are usually thick. To attach the kinky or series to her hair, which is already locked, I'm taking the extension and threading it first before twisting. And for twisting is the same way I twisted the previous video on how to kinky hair, a detailed video. I'm going to leave the link below like I said before. So I'm twisting it to the right. Twisting to the right all the way down to the tips. I'm just twisting and I'm trying as much as possible to hide the tips of her hair, which is the dread. To let you guys know that I'm using enough extension, which is the series product or the series expression products. I'm using enough of it to be able to hide the tips of the dreadlocks. So we just continue to twist until I'm done twisting all the dreadlocks. After twisting, I'm just rolling it in between my hands for a better bouncing result. Please, I would advise you to check the previous video for a very detailed tutorial on this hairstyle. After twisting, I'm just trimming the hair, the length and the rough part of the hair. Once I'm done trimming, I'm just putting the hair into a cold water or a room temperature water so that the hair will bounce better. I'm putting it in sections and using a small bowl to help me achieve it. finished putting all the hairs in room temperature water. Now I'm still trimming all the rough parts and the length so that everything will look neat. So yeah, here is the final look. Hope it's helpful. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what you want to see up next on this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Stay blessed. Bye.